All right. Well, here's our lower receiver, and you can tell it's pretty oily. We've a lot of break free on there, but this particular handgun was needing a little bit of TLC. I'd been out playing with this thing and hadn't had a chance to clean it up fully. So today's the day for this special thing. Got our break free really set in here. As you can see, I'm kind of wiping off a little bit of extra dirt. We're going to take a look. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up my stiffer nylon brush here, and I'm going to start right down inside the magazine well, and I'm just going to do the same thing that I've been doing with most. We're just going to do some real quick, brisk brushing. It's really going to let us get inside this magazine well. All right. If you find a couple areas that maybe need a little bit more work, feel free to use a little bit extra break free. You know, like we were saying, it's not a big deal if you put a little bit extra break free on there, because it's all going to get wiped off or used one way or the other. So, you know, if you're looking at something and you want to add more, add more. Now, I put a pretty liberal amount earlier, and so right now it's still pretty oily from when I first did it, which is real good, because it's really starting to break some of this stuff down. Then what I'm going to do once I get this front area done, so I'm going to come right back here to where the hammer is, this hammer and sear. I'm going to kind of do the same thing. I'm just going to scrub it, set it down on the table, just kind of, just hold it in your hand and, give yourself a good solid working area so you're not shaking around. Just get in there. With this nylon brush, you're not wiping off any of the bluing. You're just wiping off a lot of that dirt that can really be in there. Man, that's really making a difference too. That spring, when I first opened it, was solid black, and it's actually getting a lot of its color back. That's a nice sign. That's a real nice sign. That's showing that break free and everything really starting to work. So once we get all that done, we're going to move on to the outside right here.